Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. We're on the road again. We're in downtown Kalamazoo, just across the street from Bronson Park. And we're going to be visiting the Heritage Company this morning. The Heritage Company sells architectural antiques and tools. Why don't I take you inside and show you around?
When I got there, I only had a few minutes to look around. So, after getting everything set up, I went inside and looked around at the stuff on the shelves. Now, I didn't go through the whole shop because I only had like 10 minutes. There were some interesting tools and some things that I had never seen before. This thing is some kind of a arbor press, but it's very tiny. I don't know what it's used for. No idea, never seen it before. So I looked at it a little bit and then put it back on the shelf because it was $20. This thing is a centrifuge. Now, because we've got a long-standing history of having pharmaceutical companies in Kalamazoo, what with Pfizer and all the companies that went before them. So there's a lot of opportunities for laboratory equipment. And that centrifuge would be used to separate solids from liquids, kind of spin them up. This is an interesting item. It's a corner vise. Now, I've seen him before. Never did too much with them. But this one just kind of caught my eye. And as you can see, it's got some kind of stickum on it. Seems to stay with me. Now the back part of the store in this area is where all the big tools are. And there's a jigsaw and this really nice wooden vise. It looks like something that would clamp to the edge of a workbench and be bolted on underneath. It's always worthwhile walking back here because you never know what you're going to find. Wolverine oil stove. Interesting. A big toolbox. I have one very similar to this, not anywhere near the shape this one's in. And it's marked $50. That's a little rich for my blood, but I still wanted to look at it. Oh, look, it's got tools in it. Let's see. Not good tools. And just bits and pieces of sets of tools. But then again, $50 doesn't go as far as it used to. I think we'll leave this set for somebody else who really needs a toolbox. I have plenty. There's that little sticky thing again. Always fascinated with these shelves. Piles of things that I've never seen before. Clock is ticking, and I've got to be on my way. So I'll have to buy up and hit the road. I got a few minutes. I've got my transaction done. I I realize I got about 3 minutes to wander around and take some more video. I see a Scout Crafter type flashlight over in the corner there, that one right angle Boy Scout. But time to go. Like I said, only had a few minutes, so I got in, got what I wanted, and got out. That's the best kind of antique shop visit that I can think of. Walk away with something that you really like. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.